Hey guys, in this video I want to show how to create realistic sound effects using AI tools. So let's go over to Google and type in 11 Labs. It's a platform for generating realistic voiceovers and sound effects and basically any type of audio generation. I'm going to click log in, and I already have an account. Obviously, if you don't, just sign up, use my affiliate link, and go on the left hand side and click on sound effects. And you can see there's a bunch of different ones that they recommend, like animals, bass, booms, brams, brass. These are ones that I believe I've created in the past. I think this one I did not, but this one sounds pretty good. Like, how incredible is that? It sounds so great. It's like it totally could be used in the highest quality production movie. You know, if that one was in a movie that was released worldwide, I wouldn't think twice about it. Let's listen to Magical Fantasy Spellcasting. I've not heard this one before. Pretty crazy. Okay, could be better. Epic Cinematic Viking Instrumental. Anyway, so like many of the other AI models out there, including the LLMs, the large language models like ChatGPT or Grok or Claude, the quality of the output often depends on the quality of the prompt that you give it. So the more detailed that you can be, well, I guess generally the more detailed that you can be to a limit. Like, you don't want to be so overly detailed that some of the details like clash into each other and it confuses the model. So you want to be like slightly detailed, but not too detailed. And this is something that, you know, as you practice prompting and just getting used to the system, then you'll improve and you can see what the platform typically generates. But you can generate all sorts of things here. So if I just want to say snake hissing, and here you can change how long you want the output to be. So I'm going to click auto, and this is showing how much similarity you want to the prompt or influence you want the prompt to have. This is if you want the audio to loop. So if you want it to loop, then you put infinity on, and I'm going to generate that. Oftentimes this looping sound is really or looping feature is really important for like background music, because you want to be able to just put it in the background of your video and leave it looping for as long as you have the video running. Typically for something like snake hissing, you wouldn't care if it loops back, but I just wanted to show that it could. So you can see it seamlessly loops back. I think this is an okay generation, but you know, with a little bit of more prompting and a little more detail, then this would probably turn out better. So anyway, it gives you 4 generations, and if you want to download any of them, then you just click the corresponding button here. You can star them to save them to your favorites. And I love that this platform exists. I have an affiliate link for signing up if you want down in the description. If you have any other questions about 11 Labs or AI in general, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'm happy to make a video about it. Thanks, and see you next time.